All right, I want to show you guys a different strategy. This one is a place value chart strategy. It's similar to the traditional addition algorithm that you carry the ones to the tens and then add them up. But this is a real good visual representation of what's actually happening. So I've got 57 plus 36. First thing to do is make my place value chart. H for hundreds, T for tens, O for ones, and then make my chart. So first thing, I do my numbers. So we have 57. So 57 is 5 tens. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tens, 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice when I'm doing the columns, I'm doing columns of 5. That way, I can just see the number. I don't even have to count it. This one, I see a full column of 5 and 2 more. 5 and 2 is 7. So I don't have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can just see 7. It's almost like dice. Like if you've got a dice and you got that, you don't need to count the dots, you just see it. You've memorized it. Same goes with this. So I've done 57 and now 36. I'm going to change colors because I have different colors. If you don't have different colors, that's fine. The students didn't have different colors either. But there's a difference between open circles and then closed. So you'll see number 36, I've got 10, 20, 30, and then 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can see 6. Notice open circles, colored in closed circles. Now I'm adding, so I'm putting them together. If I count all these up, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I've got 13. Too many. I can only have 9 at the most. Oh, I taught the kids, once you get 10, move it to the next one. So 10 of these, I've got 7 and 3. 7 and 3, I circle them. This is a circle of 10. Whenever I have a 10, I move it up. So I'm using my arrow to show that this is a new 10. 10 ones equals 110 here. So then I add these up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's less than 10, so I'm good. So I've got 9 here and 3 left over. My answer is 93. So that is the place value chart for addition. Let's try one with hundreds. Let me pause it real quick. All right, so back with hundreds now. Same method, place value chart. So again, start my number, my hundreds, or my one number. So I've got 274. So I'm going to use purple again first. So this time I have 200s. So 1, 2, 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm done with that number. So now my next number, 352. 300s, colored in, 1, 2, 3, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 ones, 1, 2. Okay, so now we add them all together. I'll use red, maybe we can see it better. So add my ones first. Do the ones first because if you start with the hundreds or you start with the tens, start with the ones always first with these addition problems because then you'll know what to do and you won't have to go back. So start with the ones. I see 4. It's not finished yet. So 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 ones. Don't need to trade anything. Good. We've got 7 and 5. Well, I see a 5 and a 5, but let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Doesn't matter how you circle this, but circle 10 of them. I have more than 10, so we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll do it a different way. Let's do it this way. This 5 and this 5 equal 10. Okay? That 5 and that 5 equal 10, so it goes over here. This is my new 10. Or now it turned into 100. 10 of these equals 1 of those. So how many do I have left? 1, 2. I have 2. And these, 4, 5, 6, 626. So that's how you would do it for the place value chart addition. Draw each number out. Try and show by colors or by coloring it in So it's easy to know. Notice here, when I've got a new 10, or actually in this case, a new 100, I made sure that it looks different so that I remember, oh yeah, I grouped this 10, the 10 tens to equal that 100. It's just visually so I see what's happening. Same with circling an arrow. I'm showing what I'm doing. When you do the traditional algorithm, 6, that works. What you're doing here is doing that. It's the same thing. But here I'm seeing these as ones, but here I know actually this is what's happening. They're pretty similar, but it's more of a visual representation of what's going on. So I hope that helps with place value chart and some adding. Try it out. All right. And also, just so you know, our students, we just learned how to do that maybe a week before we started online learning. So they might not be great at it, but you can remind them by doing that. Okay, that's enough. See ya.